In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automated workflow using n8n and Shopify. We'll walk through each step, from creating a new workflow in n8n to setting up the Shopify app and linking both platforms effectively. This process will ensure a seamless automation experience, allowing you to focus on other critical aspects of your business rather than handling repetitive tasks manually. To get started, head over to the n8n website. This platform provides the tools you need to automate workflows, bridging the gap between different applications you use every day. Once you're there, find the option to create a new workflow. This is the space where all your automation magic will happen. With a click, you can begin designing your workflow to connect your Shopify store and automate actions that drive value. With your workflow ready, move on to the first item listed and add Shopify. This is crucial as you'll be automating tasks related to your Shopify store. Navigate over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your store to tailor it to your needs. Next, select Domains. Here, you can click on your current domain, ensuring you have the correct one in use, and take a note of the URL. It will be useful later in the process when connecting n8n to Shopify. Once your domain is set, shift your focus to app development. Click on the option to develop an app, and when prompted, input 8n as the name before creating it. This name will help you identify the custom application you're setting up specifically for this automation workflow. Following the creation of your app, configure the administrative API scopes. These settings determine what the application will be able to access and perform within your Shopify store. Be sure to grant the app permission to read orders. This specific scope is essential, especially if you plan to automate order tracking or processing. Once you've set the needed scopes, don't forget to hit Save. Saving ensures your configurations are intact and the app can perform its functions smoothly. The next step is to install the developed app onto your Shopify store. When installed, it can interact with your store's data according to the scopes you've set. After the app is installed, the final task is to retrieve the credentials needed to connect your Shopify account with n8n. Secure these credentials carefully, since they allow the two platforms to communicate and execute the automated workflows you designed. Following these clear and concise steps will ensure you successfully link n8n with your Shopify store, paving the way for increased efficiency through automation. Remember, automation is a powerful tool that, when set up correctly, can save you time and resources, allowing you to focus on strategic areas of your business.